Good morning, electromechanical trainees. Today we are going to talk about the fuel system of ISF3 8lCM2220 engine. These are some components of the high pressure fuel system. We have fuel pump. We'll talk about it later. Fuel filter with filter head. Fuel supply lines made of plastic. Common rail, high pressure fuel line. HPCR, high pressure common rail. Here is sensor which is used to sense fuel pressure. These fuel lines are also high pressure, and these are injector fuel lines. Injector with solenoid. Now let's talk about these components. Here we have high pressure fuel pump. It is actually a combination of two pumps. Here is a gear pump, and on the right side we have high pressure injection fuel pump. This is fuel shut off solenoid valve. Fuel come from the tank here in this line. The gear pump suck the fuel from the tank and through this line provide to the filter, and from the filter fuel come back after cleaning to the high pressure injection pump. After here the high pressure fuel injection pump pressurize the fuel, and from here it goes to the common rail. I will also connect all these components so that you can better understand. This is a Bosch pump. The pressure of this pump is around 27,000 psi. Now first connect the fuel pump and filter together through these fuel supply lines. So the fuel come from the tank here in this line and leave at this line. The fuel goes from here to the filter. So connect this fuel line here to the fuel filter. So the fuel come here from the tank, and the gear pump push it through this fuel line to the fuel filter, and when the fuel is clean it come out through this line and goes to the fuel pump, high pressure fuel pump. This is how fuel pump and filter is connected. So this gear pump sucks the fuel from the tank. Fuel come here to the filter. Once it is clean in the fuel filter, the fuel goes to the high pressure injection pump. This high pressure injection pump pressurizes the fuel at a pressure of around 27,000 psi. Now let's connect this common rail fuel supply line to the pump. I show you port before, so it is connected here. Let me connect it for you so that you can understand how these components connect together. Let me adjust the cam so that you can have a better idea. Yeah. So this high pressure fuel line goes to the common rail, and here is the common rail. It connects here to the common rail. This is how these components are connected together. From high pressure common rail, this injector fuel line will go to the injector from common rail. You need to use tubing wrench number 17 for this. So this will connect to the injector. You need to use tubing wrench number 17. So this is how fuel system components are connected. Now I will show you in detail with other angle so that you can better understand. So guys, I connected components of the fuel system. Now I will show you from a different angle. You can see here these lines come from the tank. So the gear pump will suck the fuel from the tank through this line, and the fuel will go here, come here, and through this line will go to the filter. After it is clean, the fuel come out of the fuel filter, and go here through this line to the high pressure injection pump. The injection pump will pressurize the fuel, and fuel will come out and go through this high pressure common rail fuel line to the common rail. Here is a sensor. This is for sensing the fuel pressure. This line, which goes to the injector, the name of this line is injector fuel line. This is also high pressure line. So this is how fuel system components are connected together. Here is fuel solenoid. This is used by the ECM electronic control monitor to on or off the injector. So this was all about fuel pump. If you don't understand any part of this system, kindly WhatsApp me your question, and we will together discuss, and I will answer all your questions. Thank you so much. Dear trainees, there are 3 fuel return lines. So I will show you one, and the other 2 fuel drain lines you have to answer in the WhatsApp group. So I will show you in the fuel pump. This is fuel return line from the pump. Excess of fuel come out here from the pump and go to the fuel tank. Now there are 2 more fuel return lines in the fuel system. So you have this is an assignment for you. So you have to answer on WhatsApp group. Thank you so much.